shopping today. And today I'm just gonna buy some stuff. I did just buy my water bottle already. So Daddy's already doing it today. Follow me on my YouTube channel. Bye. See you again. Hello guys, we're in the car now. Daddy's driving me to the shop. See you soon. Wow. Love this.
You like it? Okay, why don't you choose this?
What?
This one.
What?
This.
The pink one?
Yes?
Okay, I'll choose it.
Which one do you want?
Uh,
Or you like the purple?
Let me check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think this one. Yeah, I like this.
Which? This?
Pink.
You want this? Okay.
Oh, you said you want purple.
I was joking.
You change your mind.
Yeah. Oh, green looks cool. But I do like purple. Wow, there's one here with circle, and this one we can set. We have two places we can sit. Oh, Daddy, what's that thingy?
That's the price.
No, that thingy, that's white in.
Yeah, it absorbs the moisture inside so that it doesn't go bad.
Okay.
Wear flags and
Me? No, we're not talking about copies with the lunchbox. It's me. But Alex, I have already mine, so I don't.
So you still want the purple? You want the pink?
I mean the green.
No, greens are for boys.
Oh yeah, I forgot. The greens are flower green. Just kidding.
So you want no lunchbox?
Oh
The
no.
water bottle is okay.
Okay, because I already have a broken one that I have to take to school. Do I have a broken one, Mommy? Yeah, water bottle.
No,
Water
water
bottle.
bottle.
You know
I
where
don't know,
you
so
go?
What's that? This?
Rainbow. Cool.
You want this? Let
no,
me see
I'm
the
still
price.
small. No, I'm still small. When I'm bigger, I can have that if you get more money when I'm bigger. I'm still small
Okay.
to use it.
All right, let's go.
This one is better because
Move.
it's smaller for me. Okay, go. This one. This one. Oh, thank you. What? What were you talking? Wow. We're not going to that. Just go with Daddy. This one has a handle. I can hold it. It has a handle. I can hold it. Just this side.
It's okay.
Price it, let me see.
Okay.
Okay.
That.
Water green.
Just this side.
It's okay.
Price it, let me see.
Okay. That.
Okay. Water green. Omani dresses.
What's that?
Look. The singer.
Drop it.
Yeah, we don't have enough money yet. So
Yeah.
we can't buy it. What's this marble doing here? Marble?
Omani dresses.
What's that?
Look. The singer.
Drop it.
Yeah, we don't have enough money yet. So
Yeah.
We can't buy it. What's this marble doing here? Marble?
Just your dress.
Yeah.
We are too.
Okay, let's buy it. What's that small one doing behind it? Oh,
You like it?
no. That one is too small.
Let me see this one.
Perfect?
Yes, it's perfect.
Oh, good. Our legs I can't wear because we're in a store.